Welcome, young manufacturing students. This is for Tuesday, April 14th. I'm here to give you your assignment for Tuesday, April 14th. Our daily question yesterday, the overwhelming response was that people like lions more than elephants. I'm an elephant guy myself, but the overwhelming response was lions. Today's daily question is, do you like lions or rhinos? Do you like lions or rhinos more, and why? Put it in the comment section. Put it in the comment section. All right, yesterday's assignment was to make a slide about additive manufacturing. Again, I've only had 3 of the slideshows, 3 of the 8 slideshows shared with me, but the ones I did see is a lot of people said it's 3D printing. And 3D printing is a type of additive manufacturing, but it's not the only type. So the cool thing about 3D printing is things that people used to be able to imagine, now you can prototype very quickly and hit print. And it's also gotten very inexpensive. And with that print, you can turn around and implement other manufacturing processes. So it's really cool and awesome, and it's a huge part of additive manufacturing, but it's still really slow. So today's assignment is to create a slide, and I want you to name other types of additive manufacturing. There's plenty to go around for everybody in your group. So everybody in your group, come up with another form other than 3D printing of additive manufacturing. Put it on another slide. Don't forget to hit turned in when you're done with your portion of the assignment. And if you're not sure if your group has shared it with Mr. Ewing, reach out to your group leader. I'll post the groups back in the assignment. Reach out to your group leader and confirm that they've shared it with Mr. Ewing, because most of them haven't. If your group hasn't shared anything with me, I definitely expect you to show up tomorrow from 2 to 3 o'clock for office hours. You can come hang out with Mr. Ewing and company as we discuss what we need to do on our assignments still. Tomorrow at 2 o'clock, we're going live in Google Hangouts. Link will be in the classroom. Me and you and me, we'll get through this together. Take care. Office hours are every Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 3 o'clock. There's a link in Google Classroom. See you there.